Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Vechain coin. What's the price change goes in Vechain coin, what's the high price of Vechain coin, and what's the current status of Vechain and the cryptocurrencies markets. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. As you can see now on the screen friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction, last 1 hour price change occur, absolutely bad change, good change occur in a Vechain coin. I'm sorry, as you can see here, the change is positive 1.59%. It's already a surprise news for me. I'm very happy to see this change because I'm also a holder of Vechain coin. So what's your impression about this change of Vechain coin? Please share your impression in the comment box. As you can see here, the change is positive 1.59% change. Oh my goodness, in the last 1 hour, that's a 1 hour change friends. What's oh, now it's time to today as a Vechain a day. Dollar 0.135619 dollar is the high price of Vechain coin in this time. Friends, if you look the chart analysis, so the chart analysis tell us that continuously jumping of the Vechain coin occurs at this time, friends. So thank you so much for all holders, and thank you so much Vechain for this big jump. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. I know the previous hours they falls down, at the last 1 hour they start explosion. As you can see here friends, I am right at this time. They, as you can see, the previous hour they start falling down, but the last 1 hour, as I show you in the start, the last 1 hour price prediction, they start jumping upward in the last 1 hour. So today as a on 10th April, that is why they start jumping upward, because it's a start a new day. That's why it's a time of Vechain coin art starts now friends. If we look the average change occur in the Vechain coin in the last 2 hours as about positive 2.63%, absolutely good chance, and the high price of Vechain coin is about dollar 0.135619 dollar is the high price of Vechain coin in the last 2 hour friends. Absolutely good chance. I'm very happy to see this change. And now let's see the last 1 day price predictions, what's going and the last 1 day. Oh my goodness, that will make me very happy. Oh, positive 15.33% change occur in the last 1 day, and the high price of Vechain coin is dollar 0.135619 dollar is the high price of Vechain coin in the previous last 1 day. That's the last 1 day price prediction, price change occur in a cryptocurrency markets friends. Friends, if we look the chart analysis of the Vechain coin, so as you can see here, they gradually move upward. As you can see here, move jumping, start explosion, and now I think it's 10th April. So in on the 10th April today, they will take a high explosion, their big jumping day as today. So that is last one day price prediction, absolutely good change occur in the Vechain coin. And now let's see the last 1 week price prediction, what's going in the last week in the Vechain coin. After that we decided it's time to buy, sell or hold. So friends, as you can see now on the graph, it is clear for all of you that the Vechain coin only goes up. As you can see here, the average change occur in the Vechain coin is about 44.5% change occur in the Vechain in the last 1 week and the last 7 days. And the high price of Vechain coin is about dollar 0.1357 dollar is the high price of Vechain coin of the last 7 days. If we look the price chart of the Vechain coin, so it tells us that continuously jumping upward gradually it is jumping upward friends. So friends, it's time to decide it's buying time or selling time or holding time. So friends, as you can see here, the price prediction last 1 hour, last 2 hour, last 1 day and last 7 day, the changes are in positive odds. That is why my suggestion for all of Vechain holders, that as you know, the Vechain coin starts jumping upward, their explosion time or starts. So why are you want to sell it? Please hold it with the last of this month. My plan to hold Vechain coin with the last of this month and make a good amount of profit. That's only my plan. I'm also a holder of Vechain coin. That is why my plan for all of you, that please hold it with the last of this month. And if you want to buy a Vechain coin, so absolutely it's a big explosion of the Vechain coin are starts now. So please buy it at this time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe AB Tech channel for more this kind of latest and updates.